overalls, made famous by Minions, Mario, Bob the Builder, why are these all dudes, and me. So let's style them. Step 1, get the right shape for you. I like vintage inspired baggy overalls. I want nothing tight. It's got to be comfortable, and we're going to go for this effortless, casual look. And I know you've probably seen these ones about 1,000 times, but you could definitely change these for denim overalls or whatever you're going for. I'm just using these as the first example. Now, if you're wondering where to find some cool overalls, yes, it can be a hunt to find the perfect ones. But these ones I'm wearing are from a thrift store in Japan. Yes, I'm telling you it's a hunt. But if you wanted to buy a new or look around, I would look on Depop for a bunch of baggy overalls. Try checking out Dickies, like typing in Dickies, or type in Tommy Hilfiger overalls, or just looking for 90s vintage denim overalls, and hopefully you can find some online. But if you were going for new ones, I would maybe check out Lucy and Yak. They have the cutest sustainable overalls I've ever seen, and you will see some of my latest additions later in the video. So they're probably my favorite places to search. Mainly all of them are thrifted, so it's hard for me to exactly pinpoint where to search. Step 2, you want to highlight the little area you have left that is exposed, which is your top section. So I normally like to go for crop tops because they crop off at exactly the right point for where the overall pants begin, so you're not having like double fabric. It's also good to experiment with different color combos, so just see what works. Obviously, vintage tees are always a good option, and you can wear them kind of with the graphic showing by wearing it half and half, as well as turtlenecks are always a classic. But you could also be very cheeky and wear just a little bralette option. But pro tip, I would highly recommend trying to avoid looking like a clown or a farmer, because that's just not hitting what I'm going for. So yeah, let's get rid of this one for now and go with this simple white crop top to give a little bit of feminine energy to this red overall look. Step 3 is accessories. If your overalls are a little bit too baggy, you can add a belt, and I'm gonna say this gives me major Santa vibes. Is Santa the new aesthetic? Let me know. It's also giving me major Mean Girls Christmas vibes. Do you feel it? We can also add some dainty jewelry, spice up the farmer fit, make it look a little bit more girly, and add some extra details. Feel free to add a hat to create a full outfit. And you know I'm always wearing these sunglasses, so they're a permanent addition to every fit. Step 4 is shoes, and I struggle with shoes when it comes to overalls just because I like to have a little bit of ankle showing, so these boots don't really do it for me all the time. They're a bit heavy with such a long pant, so you can always add a Mary Jane style shoe to show off a little bit of your socks and give it more of a girly vibe, which we're going for in this outfit. But honestly, I think we needed a bit of a platform with this one, so I've gone with my 1461 platform Doc Martens, and I love them so much, and it really pulls together the outfit because we have the matching hat, the matching belt, and the matching shoes to really tie in the look. And hopefully at this point you are very happy with the outfit selection. Normally when I'm wearing an outfit like this, I feel really good about myself. It's super comfortable and super cute. I literally get a compliment in these overalls every single time I wear them, which is a lot. So yeah. So that's basically what I think of when I'm putting together an overalls look. Now let's have a few other examples. This one here, we're going with white overalls. They're a little bit more tapered than the baggy overalls I was wearing before, but sometimes you don't have a choice when you're at the thrift store. It either fits you or it doesn't. So yeah, these white ones are super cute. I've worn this red little crop top underneath for a pop of color. And then I added this gingham hat to add a little bit of texture to the outfit because it was just quite solid colors. I've added this little crochet bag, even though overalls have so many pockets that you don't really need one. It just looks so cute together, so I added it in. And then the red Doc Martens shoes ties in the red. You know, we like to go with coordination here. Option 2 for this outfit, you could go a little bit more relaxed, get rid of the hat and add a button-up baggy shirt. Yes, this is a clown one, but I'm gonna make it less clowny by wearing it on the outside. It ties in the red from the shirt, but makes the whole outfit less bright because it was just a lot of white denim going on. So yeah, this is more of a casual vibe and really good for the transitional weather so that you're a little bit warmer on your sleeves and you just look really cool and like, oh, I just threw this on. Don't worry about me. I'm just cool like that. These are my newest additions to the overalls family and I have been living in them. There are some Lucy and Yak overalls in denim with this nice flower embroidery all over it, and I managed to snag some before they sold out. So I've paired this with a gingham shirt underneath. I know, I have way too much gingham. Let me know if you need a whole video on gingham outfits. I've also added a little sun belt to add a little cinching to the waist, a crochet bandana to just mix up the whole hat situation, and these really cute kind of burgundy colored Doc Martens. I like these ones with it because where the shoe stops is where the overalls begin. They just align so perfectly and it gives just a really cute like farmer's market kind of fit. And if you were getting a little bit chilly, you could add a cardigan on top. I like to go a little bit baggier when it comes to a cardigan on top of overalls, or else the overall's a little bit too bulky for a tight cardigan. So I've gone with the flower theme and we've got this blue cardigan. Also, pro tip, these overalls were kind of a little bit big for me. They just didn't fit right around the waist. So what I have been doing is just tying the back with a shoelace. I really need to get a cute ribbon or something, but it really just cinches in a little bit so I have a little bit more shape. So when it comes to styling overalls, you can go really basic with it because the whole main focus is the overalls. So for this one, I'm wearing these pinstripe overalls that I found in the men's section in a thrift store. They're super baggy and they actually fit my boyfriend as well. But yeah, they're quite big. I just went with a classic crop top underneath, this yin yang design to kind of peep through on the sides. And I felt like this outfit called for some Doc Marten Jadens because it was a little bit more of a tougher fit, not as cutesy. You can also add a belt to this to cinch in the waist. And to give you more options with overalls, you don't always have to wear them as overalls. You can also wear them just as pants by adding a belt and just flipping the top part open, and it looks very cool. Well, I think anyway. So this was my final long overalls option look. There's totally so many different ways that you could style these, and they're just such a staple in my wardrobe, so I wear them all the time. But you could totally do these same tips with shorter overalls as well as overall dresses, and that looks super cute as well. Oh, I just love this look. And bonus points that it's corduroy. I love it. Alright, so that is how to style overalls. Obviously, style them however you want, but that is kind of the guidelines. Well, not guidelines, but that's just how I end up wearing them most of the time. But let me know which outfit you like the best. Yeah, I love wearing overalls and they're the comfiest things to wear ever. But anyways, my name has been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. My Instagram's @in the wonder years. And until next time, keep wondering.